Torn wrap, damaged goods, rejected shipments. Most packaging failures trace to one wrong number, the GSM of your non-woven fabric. GSM means grams per square meter, fabric weight per area. Higher GSM means thicker, stronger fabric with better abrasion resistance. Spun bond runs 8 to 200 GSM. Under 40, hygiene liners. 40 to 80, bags and dust covers. Heavy duty starts at 80. As a guide, 80 to 100, wraps and covers. 100 to 150, pallet and machine covers. 150 to 200, export and coil packaging. Match GSM to 4 factors: load weight, abrasion cycles, UV exposure, and cost. ISO 9001 certified, shipping to 30+ countries. Tell us your load, your handling, your transit route. We'll spec the right GSM. Visit favoritehub.com or search Favourite Fab on Google.